She skipped through grass so soft, so green. The stars above a watchful gleam. Her shadow stretched, her breath was light. A little girl alone at night. Then came a purr, a velvet call, a black cat sleek, a shadow small. Follow me, the whisper sang, through the fields where echoes hang. A painted world where colors scream. It's not a nightmare, it's not a dream. The sky, it bled in twisting streams. Her steps dissolved in oily seams. The cat ahead, its eyes aglow, led her where no child should go. A cave of teeth, a breath of dread,